To use plug-and-play features, you will need to enable automatic system updates. The operation is as follows. Click on the Start icon in the bottom left corner of the computer settings. Click on Update Security. Just click on Resume Updates and you're all set to enable automatic updates. The product supports plug-and-play in Windows 8.1, 10, 11 system. First, we need to see if your computer has built-in Bluetooth. Right-click on the This PC, My Computer icon, and then select Manage. In the Computer Management window, click Device Manager. The device list will appear on the right side of the window. Find the Bluetooth, click the arrow next to the Bluetooth device, then select the built-in Bluetooth that needs to be disabled. Right-click and select Disable Device. Next, insert the Bluetooth adapter and wait for 3 to 5 minutes for the system to automatically download and install it. If the plug-and-play option doesn't work, you can also choose to visit our official website to download the driver. Firstly, open the browser and enter our official website address. After entering our official website, click on USB Bluetooth Adapter 5 Drop 3 for PC driver. Next, left-click on this image to enter Dropbox to download the driver. Jump to our Dropbox website and click on Download to download the 5-spot 3 Bluetooth adapter driver. After the download is completed, unzip the downloaded file. After plugging in the Bluetooth adapter, open the file downloaded from the website and run the setup.exe inside. Click Next to start the installation. Restart the computer after the installation is finished. You will find Realtek Bluetooth 5-spot 3 adapter in the Device Manager after the driver is installed successfully. The Bluetooth icon should appear in the system tray after the driver is installed. Right-click on the icon and choose Add a Bluetooth device from the context menu. Click Add Bluetooth device or other devices. Bluetooth. Select the Bluetooth device you want to connect.